Hello guys, it's time for Rally the Car! Yay! I can see you there! Well, hello guys, I'm Rally the Car, and today I'm going to show you how to microwave Play-Doh in the toy microwave. Okay, I got the Play-Doh, and I got this preferred Play-Doh, and I got it from the furfer. I'll just put this here, and the furfer here. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys. You just get a piece of Play-Doh, and then you fur, and then you purr on the top. And then I want to have a microwave. And you could use this. Yep, let's do it. We're going to do this so hard until it's so there. So that's what you all do, guys. Not that. You just do this and then do it until you think that it's finished. Now, you're gonna put the Play-Doh in the toy microwave. We can do this. Oh my god, I just got a better idea. It's for me, really hard. And that's how you prefer, and I got a better idea. Now, we are going to show you, and then that's how you do. Oh no, where are you going to take me? Ah!